Hey friends, Mr. Elzy here again, and today we're going to do step 2 in our editing process. So I'm going to go back to my video on Biteable, so I've already logged in, and this time I'm not going to click start with an empty video because we already started our video. So I'm going to come over here to my videos, and this brings up any videos I've made. So I've already finished this one. I was working on water PSA the other day. So I'm going to click edit. And now everything that I was working on the other day has saved. The first thing I want to do is see how my video is looking so far. This play button at the bottom is going to give us a preview of what our video looks like right now. So I'm going to click play and let's see what I think. There's no sound yet. I'm trying to picture what it's going to be like when I have music or my voiceover. Oh, okay. First, problem number 1. It says click here to edit. If you don't take that off, then the video is going to say that. So I'm going to go over. I'm just clicking the arrow on my keyboard. And the first thing I'm going to do is click right here. And where it says click here to edit, I'm just going to delete that for now. And let's come back to the beginning. One thing that I noticed was my first shot was a little long. So right here, where it said, did you know that our world faces a demand for water? The timeline right here tells me that that's on for almost 5 seconds. I think it could be a little shorter, so I'm going to drag that shot closer to 4 seconds. So to do that, I just hover my mouse over here, and this arrow appears, and I drag it in to 4. Now let's pretend like it's not long enough, and maybe people don't have time to read that. If I want it to be longer, I'm going to drag it the opposite way, and I can drag it as long as I want. But be careful with that, because if you have the same shot for too long, your video might not be that exciting. So we want shorter shots, but give us time to read what the message is. Now, let me come look over here. I thought that another picture over here or another video might be a little better, because my slide here said this can change the way water flows. I want to show how some people in some parts of the world have to get water, have to collect water. And this image right here doesn't really show me that. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click add videos, and I'm going to search not just for water, but getting water. And let's see what videos come up there. Let's see. Now these are water fountains, people jumping in water. Okay, let's see what this one is. Someone's approaching the water. I mean, that's the beach, but we can make that. Oh, what's this? Okay, now that water looks dirty and looks like a scientist, but I think I could still use some of that. So I'm going to click there. All right, now watch. That video appeared right here on my timeline, right after the shot that says there are 7 billion people on Earth. I did not want that video to go in that spot. So if I want to move it, all I have to do is hold down my mouse and drag it across the timeline. It's going to move. And let's put it here. And I'm going to click over. Okay. Nope, I wanted it right here. So see how I can drag things to anywhere I want to on my timeline. And anytime I want to see how things are looking, I just click the play video button and I can preview what I have so far. Okay? So hopefully this gives you some editing tools that you can use. Check back later for our next step.